Well, hello everyone. So I'm at work here and I'm working on this staircase here. And some of these stairs, like this one here, this one's nice. Like there's no bow in the middle. Like this one here is kind of bad. This one here, it's even, whoa, it's even worse. I get my finger up behind it. Like this one, I get up behind it a little. This one here, already fixed. So how did I do that? Well, I'll show you. Alright, so the first step here is you tack in a plate. You tack it in about the middle, like you can see where I used to have one tacked in. It's already been fixed. But you tack in a plate. And you want to tack it in about the middle where that bow is at about its worst. Alright, then the next step is you beat in a wedge. And that wedge, once it's beaten in there, that will straighten that right out. You just take a hammer, you beat that wedge in there. This is a little bit of a special wedge because I got a thing on the side of it, so I could beat it back out, but that's what you do. You beat it in, and it'll straighten that bow right out. Next step is you lay down a couple of welds. Trying to make them nice, but if they're not, it's all right, because you can't even see that. Like, I try to make my welds nice, but these particular welds, I know ain't nobody gonna see them when it's all said and done, so they don't have to be perfect, they just have to be strong. I'm not worried about making this pretty for Instagram, I'm worried about making this shit strong enough to hold together, and you really only need a couple of short, like 1-inch welds to pull that off. And then you can just beat out your wedge, which is why that's there, and break off your plate, and move on to the next one. That's really all it takes. So, thanks for watching everyone. I'll try and throw in some more advice here and there, as I get time, as I get a chance. Talk to you later.